Hello and a very warm welcome. Thank you, Rajatji and Anshika, for joining in. Today we are reading Do
हेलो
Not
मैम।
Live to Satisfy the Expectations of Others. हम कितनी जिंदगी गुजार देते हैं ना लोगों की expectations के ऊपर उतरने के लिए. From this amazing book, The Courage to be Disliked. Let me share the screen so that we can read and understand it together. Do not live to satisfy the expectations of others. Philosopher. Being recognized by others is certainly something to be happy about, but it would be wrong to say that being recognized is absolutely necessary. For what does one seek recognition in the first place? Or to put it more succinctly, why does one want to be praised by others? Youth. It's simple. It's through being recognized by others that each of us can truly feel we have value. It is through recognition from others that one becomes able to wipe away one's feelings of inferiority. One learns to have confidence in oneself. Yes, it's an issue of value. I think you mentioned it last time that the feeling of inferiority is an issue of value judgment. It's because I could never get recognition from my parents that I have lived a life tainted by feelings of inferiority. Philosopher. Now let's consider a familiar setting. For example, let's say you have been picking up litter around your workplace. The thing is, no one seems to notice at all. Or if they do, no one has given you any appreciation for what you have done, or even said a single word of thanks. Well, will you keep on picking up litter from now on? Youth. That's a difficult situation. I suppose that if no one appreciates what I'm doing, I might stop. Philosopher. Why? Youth. Picking up litter is for everyone. I
पेशेंट।
am. Mm, Picking up litter is for everyone. I am rolling up my sleeves and getting it done, but I don't get a word of thanks. I guess I would probably lose my motivation. Philosopher. This is the danger of the desire for recognition. Why is it that people seek recognition from others? In many cases, it is due to the influence of reward and punishment education. Youth, reward and punishment education? Philosopher. If one takes appropriate actions, we receive praise. If one takes inappropriate action, one receives punishment. Adler was very critical of education by reward and punishment. It leads to mistaken lifestyles in which people think if no one is going to praise me, I won't be appreciated. I won't take appropriate action. And if no one is going to punish me, I will engage in inappropriate actions too. You
ट्रू।
already have the goal of wanting to be praised when you start picking up litter. And if you aren't praised by anyone, you will either be indignant or decide that you will never do such a thing again. Clearly, there is something wrong with this situation. Youth. No, I wish you wouldn't
ट्रेवलाइज।
travelize things. I am not arguing about education. Wanting to be recognized by people you like, to be accepted by people close to you, is a normal desire. Philosopher, you are badly mistaken. Look, we are not living to satisfy other people's expectations. Youth, what do you mean? Philosopher, you are not living to satisfy other people's expectations, and neither am I. It is not necessary to satisfy other people's expectations. Youth, that is such a self serving argument. Are you saying one should think of only about oneself and live life righteously? Philosopher.
change.
Philosopher. In the teachings of Judaism, one finds a view that goes something like this. If you are not living your life for yourself, then who is going to live it for you?
ये कहाँ पर है? इसमें तो है ही नहीं कहीं.
क्योंकि वो ऊपर से कट हुआ है ये वाला पोर्शन.
ओके ओके ओके.
You are living only your own life. When it comes to who you are living it for, of course it's you. And then, if you are not living your life for yourself, who could there be to live it instead of you? Ultimately, we live thinking about I. There is no reason that we must not think that way. You. So you are afflicted by the poison of nihilism, after all. You say that ultimately we live thinking of I. And that's okay. What a wrenched way of thinking, philosopher. It is not nihilism at all. Rather, it's the opposite. When one seeks recognition from others and concerns oneself only with how one is judged by others, in the end, one is living other people's lives. Youth, what does that mean? Philosopher, wishing so hard to be recognized will lead to a life of following expectations held by other people who want you to be the kind of person. In other words, you throw away who you really are and live other people's lives. And please remember this, if you are not living to satisfy other people's expectations, it follows that other people are not living to satisfy your expectations. Someone might not act the way you want him to, but it doesn't do to get angry. That's only natural. Youth. No, it is not. This is an argument that overturns our society from its very foundation. Look, we have the desire for recognition, but in order to receive recognition from others, first we have to recognize others ourselves. It is because one recognizes other people and other systems of value that one is recognized by others. It is through this relationship of mutual recognition that our very society is built. Your argument is an inherent, dangerous way of thinking, which will drive human beings into isolation and lead to conflict. It's a diabolical solicitation to needlessly stir up distrust and doubt. Wow. Philosopher. You certainly have an interesting vocabulary. There is no need to raise your voice. Let's think about this together. One has to get recognition or one will suffer. If one doesn't get recognition from others and from our parents, one won't have confidence. Can such a life be healthy? So one could think God is watching, so accumulate good deeds. But that and the nihilist view that says there is no God, so all evil deeds are permitted, are two sides of the same coin. Even supposing that God did not exist and that we could not gain recognition from God, we would still have to live that life. Indeed, it is in order to overcome the nihilism of godless world that it is necessary to deny recognition from other people. Youth, I don't care for all this talk about God. Think more straightforwardly and more plainly about the mentality of real everyday people. What about the desire to be recognized socially, for example? Why does a person want to climb the corporate ladder? Why does a person seek status and fame? It's the wish to be recognized as somebody important by the society as a whole. It's the desire for recognition. Philosopher. Then if you get that recognition, Would you say that you have really found happiness? Do people who have established their social status truly feel happy? Youth. No, but that's philosopher. When trying to be recognized by others, almost all people treat satisfying other people's expectations as the means of to the end. And that is in accordance with the stream of thoughts of reward and punishment education that says one will be praised if one takes appropriate actions. If, for example, the main point of your job turns out to be satisfying other people's expectations, then that job is going to be very hard on you because you will always be worried about other people looking at you and fear their judgment, and you are repressing your I-ness. It might come to a surprise to you, but almost none of your clients who come to for counseling are selfish people. Rather, they are suffering trying to meet the expectations of other people and expectations of their parents and teachers. So, in a good way, they can't behave in a self-centered fashion. You. So, I should be selfish. Philosopher. Do not behave without regard for others. To understand this, it is necessary to know about the idea in Adlerian psychology known as separation of tasks. Youth. Separation of tasks? That's a new term. Let's hear about it. The youth's irritation had reached its peak. Deny the desire for recognition. Don't satisfy other people's expectations. Live a more self-centered way. What on earth was this philosopher saying? Isn't the desire for recognition itself people's greatest motivator for associating with each other and going about the formation of society? The youth wondered, what if this separation of task idea doesn't win me over? I won't be able to accept this man, or Adler for that matter, for the rest of my life. And that's the end of this chapter. And what I was thinking while reading all through was, यार काम तो इसीलिए शुरू किया था. I also want myself to be known as Karishma, not इनायत की मम्मी, देवांशी की मम्मी, नीरज की बीवी, मंजीत की बेटी, जितिन की बहन, दिस की बेटी, दिस का बहन भाई, इसकी बहू, इसकी वो. वेयर इज दिस करिश्मा? करिश्मा की आइडेंटिटी क्या है? आइडेंटिटी को फाइंड करते करते एक ये भी कंसेप्ट आ गया कि यार कोई अप्रिशिएट नहीं कर रहा मतलब कुछ गलत तो नहीं कर रही. एंड दिस हैज बीन अ पैटर्न. बचपन से हमारे को जो हम एक्चुअल में अच्छा करते थे तो उसके लिए अप्रिसिएशन मिलती थी, और कुछ गलत करते थे उसके लिए डंडा मिलता था, पनिशमेंट मिलती थी. राइट?
बिल्कुल सही.
So let's hear it from you all. Rajat ji, let's hear it from you first.
90 मैं अपनी बात करता हूँ कि अप्रिसिएशन की वेट मैं करता हूँ.
मैं भी करती
मैं
हूँ.
अगर हाँ, मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल, मैं 99% कहूंगा, 99% जो हैं वो अप्रिसिएशन की वेट करते हैं कि अगर अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, चाहे वो डिटॉक्सिंग कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, या कुछ भी, कोई भी अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, डीक्लटरिंग कर रहे हैं, घर की सफाई कर रहे हैं, तो उसके लिए अप्रिसिएशन मिले, यार शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, आज तूने क्या काम किया है. ठीक
हाँ.
है, रोज तो तू करता नहीं था. वी
हाँ, आई
हाँ,
टेल यू,
एग्जैक्टली.
नीरज घर आते हैं जिस दिन घर गंदा होता है, ही इज लाइक, क्या है सारा दिन क्या करते हो, गंदा है गंदा है. एंड द डे द रूम इज क्लीन ही नेवर सेज अ वर्ड. एंड आई एम लाइक, हेलो, कांट यू हैव एनी विजन्स? दिख नहीं रहा है घर साफ है आज? एंड ही इज लाइक, हाँ घर तो आज साफ सुथरा अपना घर ही लग रहा है कुछ. आई एम लाइक, हाँ.
इसके पीछे मेरे हिसाब से रीजन ये है, क्योंकि हमें अगर गलती के लिए डांट मिलती है तो इसलिए हम अच्छे के लिए अप्रिसिएशन एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं. अगर हमें गलती के लिए बजाय डांट मिले, हमें सिर्फ समझाया जाए कि यार रजत, आपने ये गलती की है, इसको ऐसे सुधारो, वी विल नॉट एक्सपेक्ट द अप्रिसिएशन इफ वी आर डूइंग वेरी गुड. द मेन कॉन्सेप्ट इज दिस. यस, मेरे
डांट
हिसाब से
पड़ती.
सोचना, भाई कोई गलत काम कर दिया मैंने, कोई क्राइम कर दिया, मैं दारू पी के आ गया या कुछ भी फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ठीक है, वैसे मैं पीता नहीं हूँ, ठीक है, तो मुझे डांट पड़ेगी, यार क्या करके आ गया ये वो सो, या फिर कुछ भी. और अगर अच्छा काम करूंगा तो मैं अप्रिसिएशन एक्सपेक्ट करता हूँ. कि आज तो मैं बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक आया हूँ,
हाँ, आज
एक
तो
एक
मिलेगा।
हफ्ता हो गया, ठीक है।
हाँ।
तो देन आई नीड अप्रिसिएशन, सो वी आर डिपेंडेंट ऑन अदर्स, मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल, या मैक्सिमम मैं कहूंगा, हम लोगों की प्रोत्साहन पे डिपेंड हो जाते हैं, ठीक है। कि मैंने अगर आपकी पोस्ट को लाइक कर दिया है ना, तो मैं ये एक्सपेक्ट करूंगा कि मैं जिस दिन पोस्ट डालूं, मेरी पोस्ट करिश्मा भी लाइक करे। मैंने दोबारा करिश्मा की लाइक कर दी, कमेंट भी कर दिया, तो मैं एक्सपेक्ट करूंगा भैया मेरी तो कमेंट करे या लाइक करे।
मेरे से
एक्सपेक्टेशन
एक्सपेक्ट
हम
मत करना, बिकॉज आई डोंट गो ऑन
नहीं,
Instagram to watch other people. I just post mine and I am out.
आई नेवर बिलीव इन एक्सपेक्टेशंस, मेरी फिलॉसफी बहुत अलग है। आई यूज टू गिव 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 गिव, आई वॉन्ट नथिंग। आई नो गॉड इज लिसनिंग, यूनिवर्स इज लिसनिंग, इट ही विल गिव इट ऑटोमेटिकली। ह्यूमन बींग्स है नथिंग।
हाँ, पर फिर भी हमारे को एक्सपेक्टेशन तो होती है ना।
नहीं, मैं नहीं करता एक्सपेक्टेशन, मैं नहीं करता। रीजन, होते हैं लोग हर चीज के लिए नहीं, कुछ चीजों के लिए एक्सपेक्टेशन करता हूँ, मैं पेरेंट्स से एक्सपेक्टेशन
हाँ।
करता हूँ, ठीक है। बट सब प्रोफेशनली अगर मैं बात करूँ तो मैं एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं करता।
वाह, दैट्स
मैं
नाइस।
अच्छा काम कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है, उसके लिए आई एम गेटिंग पेड,
हम्म।
इंसेंटिव्स मिलेगा या कुछ भी मिलेगा, आई एम गेटिंग पेड। अप्रिसिएशन वो खुद दे देंगे, नहीं दे देंगे तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं, दैट इज माई जॉब,
हम्म।
ठीक है। कुछ जगह पे एक्सपेक्टेशन मैं करता हूँ, हमें करना चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए ये कंट्रोवर्सी है,
हम्म।
ठीक है। ह्यूमन नेचर में तो लोग करते हैं। यूनिवर्सल जो स्पिरिचुअल लोग हैं वो एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं करते हैं, तो
जो
ये
स्पिरिचुअलिटी की भी, स्पिरिचुअल, जब आप मेडिटेशन कर रहे हो या आप कोई पूजा कर रहे हो, कोई भक्ति कर रहे हो, तब भी तो आपको एक एक्सपेक्टेशन है ना कि मेरे को कुछ तो प्राप्त होगा उससे, मेरे को
वो
कोई
गलत है ना।
डिवाइन
वही
गाइडेंस मिल जाएगी, कुछ हो
वही
जाएगा।
वही हम एक्सपेक्टेशन कर रहे हैं, वो नहीं मिलती है तो फिर हमें ठेस पहुंचती है ना।
यस।
वाई वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग? आप अगर क्लासेस ले रहे हो रीडिंग की, फॉर व्हाट यू आर गिविंग क्लासेस? फॉर योर सेल्फ, नॉट फॉर अस। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, यू आर गिविंग फॉर योर सेल्फ, यू आर गिविंग दीज सेशंस फॉर योर सेल्फ, देन सेकेंडरी आर अस, अंशिका मैम, मैं, डॉक्टर मुस्कान, ये जो भी जितने भी लोग, करेक्ट, विकास जी। So, आपका मकसद सबसे पहले हल हो रहा है। थिंक अबाउट दैट, एंड यू आर, व्हाट यू आर गेटिंग यू आर गिविंग। दिस इज द कॉन्सेप्ट। एक्सपेक्टेशन रखनी मेरे हिसाब से बेकार है, क्योंकि जब नहीं पूरी होती है तो अफसोस होता है। रिलेशंस भी खराब हो जाते हैं, कई बार रिलेशंस इस चीज में खराब होते हैं। क्या मैं इतने फोन कर रहा हूँ उसको,
ये तो
उसका मैं
रिस्पॉन्सिबल।
उस वो फोन नहीं उठाती है या उठाता है, उसका फोन मैं पहली कॉल में उठा लूं। वाई एक्सपेक्टिंग? उसके साथ क्या सिचुएशन है क्या नहीं है, वी डोंट हैव टू एक्सपेक्ट।
मुझे ये सब गलत उस पॉइंट पे लगता है जहां पे आप अपने आप को खो के सामने वाले को खुश करने, दैट इज द पीपल प्लीजिंग पार्ट। वो गलत लगता है कि फॉर मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम जो मैंने शादी के 18-19 साल बिताए, आई डिड नॉट नो हु इज करिश्मा। आई वॉज जस्ट सर्विंग 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 विदाउट नोइंग, विदाउट इवन सिटिंग विद माई सेल्फ अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि मुझको चाहिए क्या।
ट्रू।
ऑल्दो लेटर पार्ट ऑफ द, जब बैठी हुई तो समझ में आया कि चाहिए भी वही था जो कर रही थी। सो इट्स ओके। बट और मे बी तभी कर भी पाई बिकॉज आई वॉज फीलिंग सेटिस्फाइड, सम गोल वॉज अचीविंग, आई वॉज अचीविंग सम गोल बाय डूइंग वट एवर आई वॉज डूइंग। So maybe I never felt exhausted. But if you're losing yourself on the journey of just pleasing people, then it's wrong, I believe. Let's hear it from Anshika.
Yeah, so for me, like if the debate is should we expect or not, for me, we are human beings, so we definitely expect. Uh, like the very beginning of the book we read, right? There won't be any conflict if there is no interpersonal thing happening. Like if there is no interpersonal relationship, we will not be having any conflict.
Hmm.
So that's the very basis of expectation also. Either you are expecting from someone else or you're expecting from yourself. So
Hmm.
for me, expectation is good as long as it's not holding you from doing what you want to do. So
Hmm.
let's say you want to go for shopping like this. In the beginning, it happened a lot with me. Like, I want to go to shop and I'm like, pati chalo, pati chalo, pati chalo. And he's like, okay, chalenge, chalenge, chalenge. He's not even saying no and he's not even going. And I'm like,
Hmm.
oh, entire weekend gone. I am frustrated. Like, what is this? And now he's like, okay, let's cook something. And I'm like, I'm not cooking. I was meaning to go out. And he said, you were planning for shopping. How come that? turn into having a dinner outside. So in my head, it is shopping and dinner, but I am talking. So that is my expectation without even saying.
Hmm.
And lately, I have been catching myself a lot. Like, many of the times I'm like, आज थक गई, आज थक गई. This is my line. Like, I
Hmm.
will keep on saying, but my expectation, subconscious expectation is for
आज तो
him
ये
to
काम कर
ask,
देगा.
okay, थक गई तो आज ये काम मत कर. To hear that. So instead of me telling like आज थक गई ये मेरे पैर दबा दो या ये बोल दो कि आज मत कर वो काम, I am expecting, and that is subconscious. Like I'm not even consciously asking. Like even I don't have that awareness of that I am asking. So, and this all came to me with a very funny incident when you were talking about cleaning the house, right? So
Yes.
for me, it was like, every time my husband like कपड़े इतने फैले हुए, why don't you clean up? And I'm like, कितने पैसे दोगे? Very funny, like in a very funny way. And every time he, अच्छा $20 ले ले, अच्छा $30 ले ले. So every time I used to get a small token of money whenever he says to clean up.
यार ये
One
अच्छा
day
है ना
very
अंशिका.
casually,
I'm also going to ask Neeraj to give me money for cleaning the house.
exactly.
Hmm.
But yeah, the lesson, see the lesson I learned. So one day very casually he asked me, like, why you need money to clean your own house?
Hmm.
I'm like, there is two reasons only. Either I don't consider this house my house, or I don't consider this work as my work. Like it's not my responsibility. That's why whenever you're asking me, and that was a very big bulb on for me to realize, like, how much I am expecting without even understanding that I am expecting. So expectation is very, very core need of us. But yeah, as long as it's not holding us from doing what we want to do or what we actually meant to do, it's good. So have expectation, but not let you hold it. Like we learned, right? Superiority complex, inferiority complex, expectation complex na ban jaye. That's all.
Yes. And then if expectations are there, no human is a brain reader. We must understand. Expectations को मुंह में से निकाल के बताना है. We do not have to understand कि हमारे को ये नहीं, इस डिलेमा में नहीं रहना है कि मैं थकी हुई हूँ. अब इसके अंदर मेरी क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन है वो समझ जाए. You have to tell कि यार आज मैं थकी हुई हूँ. Let's order food from outside. Can I have a bucket of water? Can I soak my feet in the water? Can you get me the water, bucket of water or whatever? You give me a massage or something. All right. Anything else?
एक्सपेक्टेशन में अगर हम परफॉर्मेंस वर्सेस रिजल्ट हम देते हैं तो हम एक्सपेक्टेशन करते हैं सपोज, और हमें उसका अप्रिशिएशन नहीं मिलता, इन दैट केस व्हाट वी हैव टू डू. सपोज आई हैव बीन असाइंड अ जॉब, a work assignment, and I have completed before time. I am expecting the appreciation from my boss, and he's not giving. In that case, what I have to do? What I can do? I deserve that.
पता नहीं, मेरा तो फंडा बहुत ही डिफरेंट है इसके अंदर, which
कोई
would
नहीं.
not be a very normal thing. I would like for Anshika to tell first, and then I'll tell you what's my
Yeah.
Yeah,
funda
for
है.
me, for me, there is two things. So if I am like consciously aware of that I am expecting something, sometimes I am not even aware that I am expecting, but if I'm consciously aware that I'm expecting something, and especially when I'm doing things for other person, like as you said, for a boss, and then like I know I did something good, I made a presentation or whatever work I did good, and I'm expecting. So this is, I don't know, from very long time I have had this habit. If I'm not getting from someone else, I will give it to myself.
Yes.
So that's the thing that works. So anytime when I want an appreciation or appraisal, if I'm not getting, I used to took out money from myself and I used to treat myself. Chalo aaj massage kara ke aate hain. Or
Wow.
let's get, like I'm very much into books and clothes. So I will just go and get either books or clothes. So those were my way of, and now like I'm not like now that because like grown up and then I have to take care of all my stuff. So I am literally staying away from buying things. So now I have turned into writing letters for me, like a couple of days back also. So I write myself a letter of appreciation. I don't know.
That's good.
Yeah.
Wow.
So yeah, I will write letter randomly and I just put it in some book somewhere. And next time when I see it makes me feel even more like, like, oh, I wrote this, how amazing I am. So this is what is happening with me now. Like, if you're not getting from outside, find a way to fill it from within. And I'm teaching this my daughter. She is 6 now, and I'm teaching her every time when she comes up with something. I was telling the story other day also, like, when my mom was appreciating her, and she was like, okay, whatever, I don't need your appreciation. She's to that level now. So the way I do it, I ask her every time she comes up with an achievement, telling that this is what I did. I appreciate, okay, you did good. Okay, tell me, how does that make you feel? So instead of she seeking my validation, okay, this is nice, she is going inside and thinking how that makes me feel. So now she has a standard, okay, this much if I do, I'm good. This is like she knows her level now. Like, okay, this is something new I did, so I should be appreciating myself. This is something like I have done many times, so it's okay. So that belief is coming, and I'm like loving this new daughter of mine. So yeah, so
Wow.
these are my insights.
Beautiful.
Beautiful answer.
Wow. I love that. Now I don't want to
True.
tell you what is mine.
What is
No,
yours now?
sure, go
नहीं
ahead.
नहीं
You
नहीं
learn
अंशी
something new.
I am 100% satisfied with अंशिका मैम्स आंसर कि
What I
अगर कोई और
normally
कोई और प्रोत्साहन करता है नहीं करता है आप
appreciate.
खुद अपनी पीठ को थपथपा लो
Yes.
शाबाश
Be
you did it
your biggest cheerleader. ये तो हम सुन ही रहे हैं बड़े दिनों
एग्जैक्टली
से.
एग्जैक्टली
Yes.
सेल्फ लव कहते हैं खुद को प्यार करना ठीक है तो हम खुद को प्यार कर ले खुद को शाबाशी दे लें व्हाट्स योर्स मैम
So I haven't ever had this work experience, work life experience मुझे नहीं है. For me, it is like मेरी mother-in-law ने मुझसे कुछ expect किया और मैंने कर दिया, and yet she does not appreciate me. For me, first thing is always for me is the same as Anshika is teaching her daughter कि मुझे कैसा फील हुआ ये करके. मुझे अच्छा लगा ना, छोड़ो उनको छोड़ो. I will take it as a सेवा. अब मैं किसी की सेवा कर रही हूँ तो फिर नोबडी आई वोंट आई एंड सेवा हमेशा निष्काम दिल से की जाती है. अगर आप उसकी इंतजार करोगे कि आपको वो कोई अप्रिशिएट करेगा या कुछ करेगा, देन यू विल कीप क्रिबिंग क्राइंग एंड वेटिंग फॉर दैट अप्रिसिएशन. इफ यू टर्न इट इनटू अ सेवा कि एंड इनफैक्ट अगर मेरे को वो वैसे भी कुछ भी काम कहती थी, आई यूज टू डू इट एज अ सेवा ओनली कि भैया मेरे को कहीं पे मैं मंदिर गुरुद्वारे जाके लोग फर्श रगड़ रहे हैं उससे अच्छा मैं यहाँ पे कर रही हूँ एंड आई एम इमेजिनिंग दैट इट इज नॉट माई होम, दिस इज अ गुरुद्वारा और अ मंदिर और समथिंग एंड आई डोंट नीड टू वेट फॉर एनीथिंग टू कम. बिकॉज पहले जब नई नई शादी हुई थी इट यूज टू हर्ट मी. देन आई शिफ्टेड दिस थिंग कि भैया मेरे को इस घर में मैं कुछ नहीं हूँ, मैं सेवा करने के लिए आई हूँ. आई एम अ सेवादार हेयर and I'm doing whatever I can to the best of my, capabilities. And that's how I never felt bad. And I have actually, सच्ची बताऊँ तो I've heard my mother-in-law talking behind my back with her daughter, मतलब मेरी sister-in-law, कि ये ना पता नहीं अपने आप को क्या समझती है. This kind of talks as well, and I'm like, हाय बेचारी. Sad. So I have had a big heart always. I don't know. I feel so.
That's the beauty. Like, I want to add one more thing. Like, neurologically, we are wired to see more negatives than positives. So anytime, like we are talking as a receiver, but yeah, what if we are as a giver also? Like, there are people who are expecting something from us also, right? And how on that state we are giving. So we are very wired to see negatives. So for every one negative, there has to be 5 positive reinforcement
Yes.
for us to feel the balance, like not even good balance. So for example, if I say to someone, oh, your hair looks so shabby, or yeah, it's not looking nice, why don't you do this way or cut this way or that, something on that line. One of that comment and 15 people have said that, like, oh, today your hair looks nice, or your dress looks nice, or you speak so beautifully. That nullifies. So 5 versus 1 is the reason. So many of the times we don't understand the expectation just because we are wired to see negative. So anytime someone is doing mistake, we are quickly picking like, okay, you did mistake. But someone is doing good, it takes their 5 effort minimum to realize that they have done something good. So this is scientific fact as well. So yeah.
हाँ, तो ये मैंने कहीं पे तो सुना था. आफ्टर विच द वीकेंड मेरी मम्मी के घर में ये कल्चर था कि वीकेंड्स मम्मी पापा दोनों की छुट्टी होती थी. तो व्हाइल हैविंग ब्रेकफास्ट वी यूज आई एंड माय टू ब्रदर्स, वी आर 3 सिबलिंग्स, तो हम पांचों बैठते थे एंड वी यूज्ड टू टेक एनी टॉपिक ना एंड वी वुड डिस्कस अबाउट इट. तो मेरे को लगा कि यार दिस इज समथिंग गुड दैट वी यूज्ड टू हैव एंड दैट actually built a very good bond between us. and also we've understood each other better. So I started doing this with my kids. And मेरे बच्चों को एक दूसरे से, मेरे बच्चे तीनों बहुत आपस में लड़ते थे at that time. तो I was telling the other day as well कि मैं उनसे पूछती थी कि अच्छा चलो एक दूसरे की अच्छाई बताओ, अच्छाई तो मिलती नहीं थी, चलो अच्छा ठीक है दो दो बुराइयां बताओ, बुराई तो बड़ी जल्दी बता देते थे। एंड देन आई वुड से अभी दो बताई है ना, अब 10 अच्छाइयां बतानी पड़ेंगी, बताओ। इससे पहले तो यहाँ से हिल नहीं रहे हो, बैठे रहो, नो नाश्ता नो पानी, इट इज गोइंग टू हैपन हियर, खत्म होगा तभी आगे बढ़ेंगे। At last, I started telling my kids every week to write letters explaining how this person is so good to me and I love her so much. इससे मेरे लिए कितना अच्छा अच्छा किया। एंड माई छोटी वाली डॉटर का स्पेशल टास्क था ये, क्योंकि उसको सबसे बड़ी वाली से बहुत दिक्कत थी, क्योंकि बड़ी वाली मम्मी बनती थी उसके लिए। बट अभी मेरे को उसके अंदर अपने आप वो शिफ्ट दिखता है कि शी मिसेज हर, शी सेज हाँ वो अच्छी थी, एटलीस्ट शी यूज टू तो बीच वाली इज वेरी अपनी जोन में रहती है, खुश एंजेलिक ऐसे अपनी दुनिया में। तो वो इतना कुछ इसको डंडा नहीं देती है छोटी वाली को। तो से अच्छा ही था वैसे, दीदी पूछती थी, थोड़ा सी डांट देती थी, फिर समझाती भी थी, लाइक शी वाज गुड। उस समय तुझको बुरा लगता था बट शी वाज डूइंग राइट। बट यस, ये मैं अपने बच्चों को हमेशा बोलती हूँ जब भी मेरे पास कोई शिकायत भी लेके आता है कि मम्मी ये देखो ना मेरे को तंग कर रही है, इसे मेरे को ये कर रही है, ये कर रही है। और अच्छा क्या किया और अच्छा क्या किया, कि बच्चों ने मेरे पास आना छोड़ दिया कि इनके पास कंप्लेंट लेके
बस।
जाएंगे, ये पूछ लेगी और अच्छा क्या किया। तो इस चक्कर में मैं भी बच गई हूँ कि कोई कंप्लेंट मेरे पास नहीं आती है, एंड दे सॉर्टेड देमसेल्व्स ओनली।
गुड।
ऑलराइट, और कुछ किसी को बोलना है? मैंने तो आज बहुत सारा बोला है। कल मेरा सेशन जल्दी खत्म हो गया था ना।
हाँ, कल
You're
आप अकेले थे।
compensating for yesterday.
यस यस यस।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, ऐसा
Nice, good,
कुछ
it's
नहीं है।
good. It's good.
चलो, thank you once again both of you for joining in and
थैंक यू
sharing
सो मच।
your perspectives. I loved how Anshika shared की expectations को कैसे वो कर रहा है and how
ट्रू।
she's training her daughter. Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच।
Tomorrow we will be talking about how to separate tasks. कौन से टास्क, कैसे टास्क, क्या टास्क, वो हम कल समझेंगे। Alright. Thank you.
फाइन
Have
फाइन,
a good
थैंक यू।
night, Rajat sir, and
ओके,
thank you,
थैंक यू।
Anshika. Have a wonderful day ahead. God bless
या
you all.
Thank
या।
you, Karishma. You too. Good
Bye
night.
bye.
थैंक
Bye.
यू। ओके, बाय बाय बाय।